Hello everyone, welcome to Mosaic Spatial. This is a channel where I'll be showing you how to do your GIS analysis. In today's video, I want to show you how to use ArcGIS to do your digital elevation modeling. The first thing you need to do when you want to do your digital elevation modeling in ArcGIS, you will first of all add your DEM raster. I'm still trying to navigate to the folder that I saved my DEM raster. Okay, after adding your DEM raster, you add the study area of your interest to the DEM raster. In this video, I'm going to use Akwa Ibom State as the area of my interest. You can see I'm trying to navigate to the folder that I saved my Akwa Ibom State shapefile. Okay, after adding the study area of your interest, instead for you to use app toolbox, because that one will be a little bit, it will take time a little bit before it loads. You go to search option, then search for extract by mask. Then after searching, you right click on it. Right click on this extract by mask. A window will pop up. You can see it's loading. Input raster. You click on your DEM raster. Input raster. You can see it's loading. You wait for it to load. Wait for it to finish loading. Then you define your study area. You can see this one. I click on my study area. That's my local government. Navigate to the folder that you want to save your work. And give it a name. You give it a name that you can easily remember when you want to search for your work. You can give it the name of your choice, any name you like. Click on save and click on OK. Alright. You can see that it's running at the downside of the corner side of my computer. So it will take some time. You wait for it to finish. Okay, it is done. Okay, my area of interest has been extracted. I uncheck my study area, then uncheck or DEM raster. You can see our area of interest has been extracted. The next thing you need to do, you right click on that, you right click on the extraction. That is the file that I just extracted now. I right click on it, then go to properties, and put on classify. Because I'm trying to activate my elevation modeling, click on classify. After clicking on symbology, you click on classify. Then you search for any color of your choice. Okay. Then if you want to reduce your format level, if you want to change the pattern of your format level, you right click on the any number on the format level. Then you go to format level. Then you reduce the number of your format level. I want to use 4. Okay. You can see I reduce my format level. That is the pattern. I'll be searching for any color of my choice. Okay, I'm trying to search for a color that will be suitable for me. Then I click on apply and OK. Alright. Our elevation modeling is now completed. So you keep searching for the color of your choice. I'm trying to search for the color of my choice. That will make my elevation modeling to come up very well. Okay. I'm still trying to figure out the color that will be suitable for me, that will make my elevation modeling to pop up very well. Okay. I'm still searching for the right color. Okay. You can use red color to indicate the highest level of elevation, although it's not compulsory, but you have to look for a color that will make your work to be very good. Okay. After that, if you don't still like the color, you can go to each of the color box to change it to the one you like. You can see what I'm doing. Go to each of the color box to change it to the one you like. I'm trying to change the color to suit what I want, to suit with what I want. Okay. Okay. After that, I go to my view, then click on layout view to put my map in a frame. All right. Then I go to insert to add my map title. I'm trying to add my map title. Okay. You have to adjust the map frame. Okay. After adjusting my map frame, I go to my insert, and then I add my map title. Alright, I'm trying to add my map title. Akwa Ibom State. Digital elevation modeling of Akwa Ibom State. You can do well to subscribe to this channel so that you watch the next video. Thank you very much. Thank you. Do well to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Digital elevation modeling of Akwa Ibom State. Alright. Thank you. Do well to hit the subscribe button.